Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're going to do a little icy face work on Blythe dolls. And one thing we're going to do is pull the head off. Deb's doll room, it might be too much for you. We're going to pull off the Mimi Bobek head and replace it with this head. And this doll doesn't have a name yet, but this is Margie and this is Robert, and Robert's head got a little loose on his body, so we're going to add rubber bands. What we've done is we've taken a cup, put a little water in it, put it in the microwave for a minute, and we're going to see what happens. You can see that the Mimi Bobek body has a little staining on it. I haven't got that far yet. I'm going to use the acne treatment on it. But I figured I'd wait and see if the head and everything works. We want to be careful because we don't know what kind of attachment the head has, the body has. Ooh.
The head did get soft.
There it goes. Do you feel hooks or anything under that?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to
Yeah,
avoid.
I think we're going to cut that head. We don't care about the head, we care about the body. And if we tear up the pegs and stuff on that body...
Okay, this is the gruesome part. If you
Look away, Deb's doll room, look away.
Let's just get an idea what's we got in here.
Deb collects celebrity dolls and knows all about the dolls and the celebrities. She has a really cool channel. If you haven't been to Deb's doll room, you might be interested in seeing it. She does have a Mimi Bobek doll.
I bet its head doesn't look like this now, though.
No. Okay, we're going to take the head off of the body she came on, and then I'm going to wrap some rubber bands around the neck stem, because this doll, we are sure, was molded on a recast. And if you notice, I can't do it one-handed. Her head is loose and becoming more loose like Robert's. So we're going to rubber band all of the necks. And what I use are these clear hair rubber bands. And as you guessed, you put the head back on here like any other. How does that fit? Can you put it?
I haven't got it all the way together yet. I'm just checking to see. Oops.
Is it too loose? Do I need more rubber bands?
I don't know if you can put enough rubber bands on there to make a difference.
Oh, really loose, huh? We're putting her back together. We're a little afraid I put too many rubber bands on there, but rather tight than not. Okay, so here she is with a very tight head. It does not go up and down, but you know what? I'm really good with that because I'd rather have it stay in place than having that fall. So she is all done. Next, we're going to take Margie's apart, and as you can see, she's got play in there, and then Robert's is very loose, and we're going to put rubber bands on theirs. Robert has the longer neck with the movement of the neck on his, and so the rubber band has to sit different in his because the only thing that matters is up in here. There are different types of necks on these dolls. Robert has this one that actually moves up and down. It has a ridge in here, and that's the only place that matters with the rubber band. And we're just going to put one on there and see what happens. And here they are, all right and tight, and I am just thrilled. Again, rubber bands. I have to tell you something real quick that I always think back on and get a kick out of. I was reading the comments, and this little girl's, I don't know how old she was, but it was a young girl. She had her comments about she had tightened a doll's limbs, I think it was a Barbie, with a rubber band, and was so proud of herself. And another little girl said, well, she invented that. She saw that on her channel and invented that. And I had to break both their hearts and leave them a note that I'm 65, but when I was a kid, we used rubber bands to tighten the joints of our dolls. Nothing new under the sun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.